introduce one tip coding for Microsoft Excel. When you need to input data, what I mean is a set of data into a table that you can use one function in Excel called form. I am also not used this often before, but I found this quite useful and very flexible. I will introduce to you is about this feature by these 4 parts. First is how you can activate, because by default, this function is not activated in Excel. So how to set up and activate the form function in Excel. And then this we practice some demo. I use one simple test file, table data, to add new data and view data, delete data, and also show you how you can query data with some criteria. So let's do this together. So first, let's open the Excel. So I put Excel here. So by default, you can see if I open a new Excel, and I want to open my product test data. Just have a look. You may have some data. I just use several columns. One is the date, name, person's name, and the product, and the unit price, quantity, and here is a formula to calculate the total price based on the quantity times the unit price. So that is a very simple part. But if imagine if you manage our store and you are going to keep adding data and you just add manually by the line by line, this will be not convenient. But what the forms mean to us. So let me show the first is how to activate a form. So if you go to the file and then come to the option, let's go to this quick access toolbar. So from here you cannot find that button because it's in the command, not in the ribbon. So put here. So maybe later I will introduce some more other tips using a lot of the functions or command not shown in the default ribbon. So let's scroll down to find this button. So you see form, data form Excel. So let's add that to your quick access toolbar and click OK. You can see here this button is coming from here. So if you want to click that within your current worksheet, you can see it's very smart. So it's detect you have our list of the data. We can call that as a data set. And you can see they calculate you have 9 data records. And now is this first one, Scott line, is in the first record, and they also automatically identify the input data field. So we have 5 columns. Why the last one is not our input one? Because they also quite smart to identify this is our calculation, a calculated column. So if I input the unit price and the quantity, this one is automatically calculate based on the formula. So first of all, so I activate this button in here, or you can also add this into some ribbon. So that is not difference. So let's see. So I want to add new data. You just need to see. So here's some button: new, delete, restore, find, and criteria. Criteria is in the number 4 I mentioned. So let's see the new. So here you can see I can just based on the formats. So first is date, second is the new person, and the product. Let's see, I add apple, and this unit price is 1.2. I know, so you can make this table complex. So I buy 6 apple. So if you use the tab, and then the is if you use tab and enter, you can see here new record. This one is coming here. So let me close and make this all you can see here. And this one is added through. If you just select one line, you get this warning because you explicitly select some rows, but this row doesn't have the column, the header. So it's better is either you select all, or you don't select anything. So this cannot be applied to select a range. So from here, you can see if you select a cell close or just next to the your table. So let me see this one. So you can see you can pop up this the input form. But if you make our cell select is one column or one row aside of your data set, it will pop up some confused by the Excel because it's not able to easily identify what you are going to do. But the most safe way is you select your data set and click here. So that will ensure is you tell Excel you want to input this table's data. So that is the second one. And no difficulties, you can easily do this view. So you can use this next preview previous to navigate your data. And notice is that this total price is not changeable. So you will always to do this the calculated part. But if you want this for the number 5, now is I changed this not 8. So it's this one. It's I changed my record. So if you press enter, this one, let's go to the previous, because enter also automatically move to the next the record. So this one is changed to 6, and this column F is calculated again automatically. So that is the add. And if I want to make a delete, I want to delete my new person's record. You just simply delete this. Display record will be permanently delete. Okay. Then you can see here is empty. And this new record is the empty, then you can use the previously, then the total record is back to 9. So that is the number 3. You can view, you can change, you can update and delete record on every the editable the field. And then the last one is not but not least is using the criteria. You can make some the search. So if I want to search what are the this unit price is 1.2, so 1.2, then I press the, let me see here. Okay, you can see here. I press enter, then they find this this one is the 1.2 and this one. So you cannot switch to others because only Apple, Jack purchased Apple, and Scott purchased Apple, so they are the 1.2. So others not 1.2. So let me create another the criteria. I want to see here is the Greece. What Greece purchased? Greece is the number 6. So if you press enter, they come to this record. And if I want to see is someone maybe is Grace has a C. So if I just want is who has a C. So Grace has that, and so that is only come to the Grace, and I want to go to Scott. So you can see, so come to Scott. It's tricky. So you need to press this find the previous. If you hear that the sound is because now it's narrowed down. Only one criteria, one record is fulfill your criteria. So you can go to another record. So only one. But if I go to Jack, so let me see Jack. I saw Jack has a 3 record. So it's a number 2. I come back to number 1. So starting from number 2, number 3, number 4, and then you cannot moving on. So those are the criteria. So if you finished your the typing or input, you can close that and you back to your normal the table. So I hope this one is let you know is this useful. The command that you can activate when you need to input some manually data in our predefined table. Hope it's useful. Try it and feel free to leave me your comments, and also welcome to subscribe my channel. So when you feel it's also valuable, talk later. Thank you.